Preview.
Hello everyone, I'm back. It's me, Parikshit, and my father. I'm from Kudzatunga
So we are back.
with some pencil sketches.
Pencil sketching of a girl standing beside a window. This is gonna be a pencil sketch for beginners. If you are a kid or if you are just starting to draw, that's a 4B and mine is a B. So you want something?
Yeah, but this is a shading.
Okay, leave this. Take this one.
Oh,
Okay.
that's
So
not
this is gonna be a pencil sketch, pencil drawing for beginners. If you want to learn how to do a step-by-step drawing of a girl with the help of a pencil, this drawing is for you. Parikshit is gonna learn, you are gonna learn, I'm also gonna learn.
No,
Yeah. Let's get started. So what do we start with?
it's going to be a little difficult.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little difficult one. So let's do one thing.
I have got two papers.
Okay. Should we start?
Yeah.
Okay. So in the center, we draw the girl's head, the hairs, the body, and then on the sides we will draw the curtains. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's draw. Let's start with the head. Okay.
Okay.
So around.
What?
Just drawing the shape.
Papa, what happened? What happened?
Drawing the shape of the hairs.
I don't know how to do that.
Just keep it light. Yeah. So this is the drawing.
Like
of
this?
Yeah. Good.
I can see it.
Very lightly. You should be able to see it.
I cannot see.
Then make it a little darker. Okay. Now what we do is we draw the shoulder on both the sides. And the body. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. The skirt of the girl. And her legs.
Like this.
Okay. This is gonna be a very easy one.
The most difficult one.
The most easiest one, I would say.
But when it comes to shading, it's going to be difficult.
Mm-hmm. Okay. We'll do the shading later. Come on. Let's do the hands and the curtains now. So one hand is coming down. And the other hand would come down
But after I do that.
Okay. Now we make the curtain.
Like this?
Okay. Similarly on this side.
Like this?
Yeah. Now let's.
Now you're coming to the difficult part.
Yes, a little difficult, not very difficult.
That thing. Let me see.
Sure. Okay.
Wait.
So we are done with this amazing drawing of a girl. Yeah, let's make a sun. Are we done?
Yeah.
Awesome. Super awesome drawing. Let's show your drawing. Wow, it looks beautiful. Just with the help of a pencil. Yes, you loved it?
Yeah.
Okay, we all love this drawing, and if you loved it too, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel to see more amazing drawing videos. Yeah, it is a learning and a fun experience for us all. And if you share your drawings with us on Instagram or tag us at the rate Kids Fun Land Club and hashtag Kids Fun Land Club, you can win some amazing goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Land Club. So do not forget to share your drawings with us. See you in the next video. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.